Hi guys, got another one of those clipped together, I think it's foam or cardboard kits. It's been on the shelf in my house for quite a while now and the grandsons don't seem to be interested in it. So I thought I'd better make it myself. I expect I could probably have a look at making it radio controlled or something eventually. Depends how big it is, what the dimensions are. That's quite a substantial pack. Are there any instructions? 8 puzzle sheets, 33 puzzle pieces and 1 instruction leaflet. There we go. Well, I've got to say, that's one of the nicest kits I've put together out of these foam clip together kits. That's excellent. Instructions were perfectly clear and it all went together with no trouble whatsoever. So the challenge is there anything I can do with that to put a electric motor and steering on it? Obviously nearly all the bottom of this will have to be cut out. That'll be a totally separate video. As it is, I'm happy with that. And I think my grandson could have done that quite easily. Instructions were clear, followed them, and it went together with no trouble whatsoever. Build Your Own Batmobile by Paladone.